Goals and objectives. This section of the FIRES refinement process is the moment when you can take the big picture perspective of how your FIRES personal strategic plan functions overall and then refine it accordingly. You now have an opportunity to contemplate which goals you wish to adjust, add, or remove from any of your 5 FIRES plans. In this section, you will be using a model for goal setting that involves identifying hurdles or challenges, figuring how you will measure your progress, and determining any timelines or deadlines for realizing these goals. Now turn the page of your workbooks and refine and redefine your goals. To reset your goals, remember that you need to define your barriers, your index, way of measuring success, and your time frame. Refer back to each of the goals you wrote in the various FIRES sections. Which ones now need to be refined or replaced? Briefly write up to 3 new or revised goals within the model framework, and then transfer your answers to the next page. On the following page, complete the assignment by writing the 3 necessary steps required, those are your objectives, to successfully accomplish each goal.